Hey everyone, and welcome back. It's been quite some time since our last video, but that doesn't mean progress hasn't been made on the Supra. The holiday season did put a damper on getting parts in. Hell, I'm still waiting for some things to get here that I ordered before Christmas. Anyway, the current deadline is to have the car running and driving by March 1st so that I can take the Supra to OSW's Spring Break Bash on the 9th. Assuming I make that deadline, that will be the Supra's maiden voyage, and my first time drifting. I don't know that the car will be painted by then, but we'll see. So, with that out of the way, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Welcome back to another featured garage vlog. In this episode of the V8 swapped Super Drift build, we put the car on jack stand so we can tear out the rear subframe. While the subframe is out, the subframe bushings will be replaced with solid bushings, and the upper control arms will receive polyurethane bushings. Additionally, the rear end will receive battle version traction links, toe links, and camber links. With the old bushings knocked out of the subframe, we can now hang it up on the engine hoist so the surface can be cleaned and prepped for paint. Now that it's painted, we'll set this to the side until the battle version bits show up. I didn't film the seat bracket fabrication, but I am using Ultra Shield's Rally Sport road racing seats. They're actually fairly comfortable at a 20-degree layback. With the seat in place, I can now fabricate a remote shifter for the NV3500 transmission. I ended up using a sway bar end link from a 2005 Mustang as the remote shifter pivot point, with a small tube connecting the two shifters at U-joints that rotate on bolts.
Oh man, look at that shit. Oh, we got a present. Fuck you, Eric.
Fuck you, Eric.
Fuck me.
Fuck me.
Please, God.
Fuck you, dirty butt.
This time of year is all about
So our Chevy employee discount is...
You pay what we pay,
and not a cent more.
We're so happy to share.
It's our way of saying
And welcome to the family.
the family.
Use your employee deck for everyone and trade up to this Silverado All-Star to get a total value of over $11,000. Find new roads.
I needed to source a fuel pump bracket from Amazon since my fuel tank didn't have one in it. A Walbro 255 is being used to pump fuel to the engine. The tank was dented, so I had to massage it a little bit so that the fuel pump bracket would fit nicely. Well, that's it for this episode. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm still waiting for some parts to arrive so that the suspension and rear subframe can go back in the car. But in the next episode, we'll delve into the ECU build and get started on the engine and chassis harness construction. Be sure to check out featuredgarage.com for rad grassroots automotive articles. You can catch us around the web on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Until next time.